Hi everyone. So as you all know that the December examination is around the corner for the CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination. So there are few things that you should be focusing upon, or there are few things that you should not miss if you're actually and sincerely preparing for this particular examination. We'll be focusing upon all the pointers in this particular video. So stick till the end of the video. And if you're new to Botany Insider, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. Right now, talking about the various things that you should be focusing upon if you are sincerely preparing for the December examination. Now, very first thing that you should be focusing upon is the previous year question papers. If you look into the recent trend of the examination, you can yourself get to understand that previous year question papers plays a very important role. So you should be focusing upon the previous year question papers to the best of your ability. Very first thing. Now for the previous year question papers, what should be your approach? Your approach, like if you ask me, I would suggest you that first you should be having a thorough revision of your syllabus if you have completed it, and then you should sit for the previous year question papers. Topic wise questions should be dealt in the beginning of the preparation or during the time when you are preparing. When we have our examination in a month, you should be focusing upon solving the entire paper together, because एग्जाम के अंदर पेपर एक टॉपिक से नहीं आएगा, एग्जाम के अंदर जम्बल्ड अप पेपर आएगा. सो हमारे माइंड को ये हैबिट होनी चाहिए दैट आवर माइंड कैन हॉप ऑन टू डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स ऑल टुगेदर. सो दैट्स व्हाई द कंप्लीट पेपर practicing is very important in the same pattern of your examination. जैसा पेपर एग्जाम में आता है वैसे ही सॉल्व करना बहुत important है. So make sure that the entire paper is solved in the same manner during these last few weeks. First thing. Second thing should be your practice mock test as well. Reason being, हमें प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस की भी प्रेपरेशन करनी होगी, बिकॉज द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द बेटर रिजल्ट्स यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. नाउ अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसे सॉल्व करें, सो वी हैव अ PYQ एंड अ रिवीजन लाइक अ कंबाइंड कोर्स ongoing for the December 2024 specifically. So you can download our application. मैंने सारे links डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हैं, चेक दैट आउट. एंड आई हैव रिसेंटली अपलोडेड अ कंप्लीट डेमो क्लास एज वेल. एक कंप्लीट क्लास जैसी एक्चुअल क्लास हम क्लास में लेते हैं, वही सेम क्लास मैंने यूट्यूब के ऊपर अपलोड की है फॉर यू टू गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. आई लिंक इट ओवर हियर. इन एडिशन टू दैट, अगर आपको मॉक टेस्ट सर्च आउट करने हैं, सो वी हैव अ मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज एज वेल हैविंग 120+ टेस्ट on our application. सारे links आपको description box में मिल जाएंगे, so check them out. In addition to the previous year question paper and the mock test, you should be focusing upon the revision. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते टाइम आपको ये दिमाग में आए that okay, I know this particular question but I lag the factual part of it. That means आपके revision के अंदर problem है and you need to revise that particular topic. And for revision, you should be focusing upon जो आपने अपने notes prepare किए हैं उन्हीं notes को use करके आप repeated revision करें. अगर if you have not yet prepared your notes first, but if you want to actually get into the examination, we have a hard copy notes available for the December 2024 specifically. Many students have already taken those hard copy notes. I link those notes as well in the description along with the sample notes that we provide, so it will help you out to get a better judgment, right? So mock test, previous year question papers and the revision. जब हमारा ये सब complete हो जाएगा, we should be also focusing upon the recalling part. What do you mean by recalling now? Now, revision means that you have a topic and you are just looking into the topic and revising it. Recalling means that you have a topic, you revised it, you memorized all the facts and now you're trying to find out that हमने कॉपी बंद करके अपने माइंड में रिकॉल किया दैट व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स एम आई एबल टू रिटेन, बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स, जितना हमने रीड किया होता है इट्स नॉट अ कंपल्शन दैट ऑल द थिंग्स गेट रिटेन्ड इन आवर माइंड. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू रिटेन दोज थिंग्स, एंड फॉर दैट, फॉर चेकिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, you should focus upon the recalling part as well. So what are the 4 things that you should be focusing upon during these last few weeks that we have? First one is previous year question papers, second is the mock test series, third is your revision, and fourth is your recalling. अगर हमारे ये चारों segments properly completed होंगे, then there is no power to stop you from qualifying the examination. And take my words, CSIR is raising the bars very high with every passing attempt. So you should be having a very good strategy for getting into this examination, because अगर हम last attempt ही देखें, you can see the cutoff level was very high. I have seen students who miss the rank by, or who miss the cutoff by 0.01% or 0.2%. So that's a very disheartening thing. So make sure that you are not making the same mistake. You are revising the things properly, you are recalling the things properly, you are focusing upon the previous year question papers and everything in the holistic manner. In addition to that, also remember to focus upon all these things with minor details. अगर आपका सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट है या थर्ड अटेम्प्ट है, अपने प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट से जो आपने मिस्टेक्स किए थे वहाँ से वो मिस्टेक्स पिक डाउन करके वर्क अपॉन देम. डू नॉट मेक अ मिस्टेक ऑफ डूइंग द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन, राइट? सो ट्राई वर्किंग अपॉन योर मिस्टेक एज वेल, एंड देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू सक्सीड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. Right, so that's about for this particular video. I hope this particular video was helpful. If yes, do let us know in the comment sections below. We are planning out a lot of new content on Botany Insider. We'll try to help you out in the best manner possible. Download our application from the iOS as well as from the Android Play Store. In addition, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram, Telegram. We are available on all the various social media platforms. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Good luck. Take care. All the best, everyone.